Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on some box braids. Today I did the triangle parts and I did them a little smaller than normal. This video is for beginners. It's very detailed and even slowed down in some parts. So yeah, let's get started. Today I'm using Expressions braiding hair. This is the hair I use for all of my videos. I like to cut it in half because it comes super long. And I pull it out, of course. For more details on how I pull out the hair, you can click the card above or check the description box below. So right here I'm showing you guys a detailed clip of how I grab the hair in my hands. So you take the section and you take 1/3 of the section. Once you take that 1/3, you cross it over onto the other piece, and then you'll have 3 even sections. 3 even sections is literally key to a perfect braid. If one section is smaller than the other, your braids are not going to be perfect. So try to make it as close to the same size as possible. I like to start off parting ear to ear. That's just my favorite way to do box braids. Y'all know my secret to a straight part is to put product on it and then part it again. It usually takes me forever to part, but you gotta just keep doing it until it's perfect, because at the end of the day, you can have really neat braids, but if the parts aren't neat, it's gonna look sloppy. So you gotta make sure those parts are neat. No matter how long it takes, make sure you get the parts straight. I like grabbing all of the hair at one time just because I don't like when people corn roll box braids on, because when you lift the braids up and turn them around, it's hard to move them. But when you grab all the hair at once, the braid moves freely. I'm gonna stop talking and I'm gonna let you guys just watch. These are some very detailed clips of me starting the braid and braiding down. It's super easy, so yeah. When I'm done the braids, of course, I clip the straggly straight ends. I add mousse, spritz, and oil sheen, and I dip the hair, and I'm all done. It's super easy. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching my video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.